As the monsoon season approaches, motorcyclists must take extra precautions to ensure their safety on the road. The heavy rains and strong winds can create hazardous conditions that make riding a motorcycle even more dangerous than usual. One of the most important things for motorcyclists to do during the monsoon season is to check their tires regularly. Wet roads can be slippery, and worn tires can increase the risk of accidents. Making sure that your tires have enough tread and are properly inflated can help you maintain traction and control while riding in the rain. It's also crucial to make sure that your brakes are in good working order. Wet roads can increase stopping distances, so having reliable brakes is essential for staying safe on the road. Regularly checking your brake pads and making sure that they are not worn down can help prevent accidents caused by braking issues. In addition to checking your tires and brakes, it's important to make sure that your lights are working properly. Visibility can be reduced during heavy rain, so having working headlights, taillights, and turn signals is essential for making sure that other drivers can see you on the road. Another important precaution for motorcyclists during the monsoon season is to wear the right gear. Investing in a good quality rain suit can help keep you dry and comfortable while riding in the rain. Waterproof gloves and boots can also help protect you from the elements and improve your grip on the handlebars. It's also a good idea to wear a helmet with a face shield or goggles to protect your eyes from rain and debris. Wet roads can kick up dirt and rocks, so having proper eye protection can help prevent injuries while riding in the rain. When riding in the rain, it's important to adjust your riding style to accommodate the wet conditions. Slowing down and increasing your following distance can help you react to unexpected hazards and reduce the risk of accidents. Avoiding sudden movements and braking gently can also help you maintain control on slippery roads. It's also important to be extra cautious when riding through standing water. Puddles can hide potholes and other hazards that can cause you to lose control of your motorcycle. If you encounter standing water on the road, try to ride around it if possible, or slow down to minimize the risk of hydroplaning. In addition to adjusting your riding style, it's important to stay alert and focused while riding in the rain. Reduced visibility and slippery roads can increase the risk of accidents, so paying attention to your surroundings and staying aware of other vehicles on the road is essential for staying safe. Finally, it's important to know when to call it quits and seek shelter during a heavy rainstorm. Riding in a downpour can be dangerous and uncomfortable, so finding a safe place to pull over and wait out the storm can help prevent accidents and keep you dry. By taking these precautions and adjusting your riding style to accommodate the wet conditions, you can stay safe and enjoy your motorcycle during the monsoon season. Remember to check your tires, brakes, and lights regularly. Wear the right gear, adjust your riding style, and stay alert while riding in the rain. With the right precautions, you can navigate the challenges of the monsoon season and stay safe on the road. Ride safe, drive safe.